If you're upgrading to the LG Magic Remote, watch this short video to learn how to pair it with your LG TV. So this remote is straight out of the package. I got this from Amazon for $20 on sale, and I'll list it in the description so it's easy for you to find. The first thing to do is insert two AA batteries which are not included. And just so you know, this remote will immediately function as a regular remote once the batteries are in. Here, when I press the SAP button next to the 0 key, this message tells me to use the OK button to pair the Magic Remote. And just so you know, this scroll wheel is the OK button. Once I press it, the remote will register with the TV, and in a few seconds, it's connected. Now I have the ability to navigate menus with an on-screen cursor. One major advantage of this is being able to type faster on my TV. And before I end this video, let me show you how to unpair it so you can use it on a different LG TV. To do that, press and hold the home and back buttons together. When the power button flashes 3 times, the Magic Remote will be unpaired. But keep in mind that unpairing only disables the cursor and scroll wheel functionality. It will still continue to work as a normal remote on any LG TV. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.